market with us. So people advertise at our grocery store and like big bag samples and like
Oh yeah.
Stop the runway, Boo-Boo. Stop the runway.
Oh, look at that leopard ass. Oh yeah.
Don't, you're gonna make her fall. He's so fucking crazy.
Yes! There it is, where it is. There's the shoe. There we go.
It's coming. You have to carry me now. I haven't even drank yet. 50 gone pizza. 25 and I still
Crime
didn't walk into
scene.
it. What's the problem with these shoes?